How to add to time zone in iPhone iOS 26. Okay, at first open your settings, press on general, showing you to software update. Make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. So lock your screen, long press, you get customize option. Press on to add widget. Go to clock section. Okay. To select this. Okay. Now add it to different clock at first and need to set up. Location. To another location. Press on done. As you can see, now successfully add. Okay, now successfully add to time zone in my iPhone iOS 26.